Hello everyone. Today's lecture we discuss about the lecture series of RF design. Module number 2 amplifier design, lecture number 16. We discuss about in this lecture series low noise amplifier design. In previous lecture we discuss about the amplifier design for maximum gain. Then we design also see lecture number 15 the amplifier design for specified gain. Today we'll start with the amplifier design with the low noise amplifier. So stability and gain are the two important parameters where the design of consideration for microwave amplifier is its noise. So in about the criteria which is to be defined to design a amplifier, such as to design lastly lecture we discuss about the stability. Besides stability, then we use the design maximum gain and the specified gain. But in this lecture, if we receiver application specially is often receive a preamplifier with a low noise figure, that is possible. So that can be shown here figure. So amplifier which is consist of two port network. So this is your amplifier, this is the input and this is your output. So there are the two parameters which is related to this in source side, that is Y of S and gamma of S, where Y of S is the source impedance present to the transistor and gamma S is already known is a reflection coefficient at the source side. So as shown in the reference figure, the noise figure for this two port network, that is F is equal to F minimum plus R of N divided by G of S is equal to mod of Ys of S Y optimum square. So this is equation number 1. Now here F is a noise figure and according to the definitions we are define the various terms which definitions apply for this. So Y of S is a G of S plus J into V of S, which is a complex combination of conductance and susceptance. So G is a conductance and V is a susceptance, that is a source impedance present to the transistor then it is a Y of optimum, that is optimum source impedance that result in minimum noise figure. Then F minimum is equal to minimum noise figure of a transistor, attain when y of s is equal to ys optimum. So F minimum is a minimum noise figure which is obtained at Ys of is equal to Y optimum, where R of n, which is given equivalent noise resistance, equivalent noise resistance of the transistor Gs is equal to real part of a source admittance So this is about the definitions, various definitions which is related to the noise figure F minimum Rn divided by G of S, Ys of is equal to Y optimum. Now instead of this Y of S and Y of out optimum, we can write down the in terms of reflection coefficient. So Y of S is equal to 1 upon Z naught 1 minus gamma S divided by 1 plus gamma S. So this is the equation number 2. Now we can write down Y optimum is equal to 1 upon Z naught characteristic impedance gamma optimum divided by 1 plus gamma optimum. This is the second, this is the third equation to find out the Y optimum. So reflection coefficient, source reflection coefficient can be defined in quantities of F minimum, F gamma optimum and resistance, the particular that is called as the noise parameters. So we can find out this source reflection coefficient in terms of the quantities which are related to the particular characteristics that is called as the noise parameters in terms of F minimum, gamma optimum and R. So in these characteristics of the resistance, we can find out the value of reflection coefficient of the source. So we can call F minimum, gamma optimum and resistance of a resistance of the transistor, that is these are the parameters called as a noise parameter of a transistor. So we can write down the equation of reflection coefficient in terms of these three parameters. So we can express the quantity y of s is equal to y optimum in terms of gamma s and gamma output. So we can write down the quantity y of s is equal to y optimum square into 4z naught square is equal to gamma s minus gamma optimum bracket square divided by 1 plus gamma s is equal to 1 plus gamma optimum square. So this is the equation number 4. Now in addition the real part of the GS, so we can write F is equal to F minimum plus 4 Rn Z naught is equal to gamma s minus gamma optimum square divided by 1 minus gamma s square plus bracket complete 1 plus gamma optimum square. So this is equation number 5. We can write down. Now this is the fixed noise figure. So F is a fixed noise figure. So we can define the circle gamma as plane the first noise figure parameter. So first noise figure parameter, that is noise is equal to, that is n. So n is equal to, we can write down the noise figure, the first parameter of the noise figure, that is noise in terms of reflection coefficient. So gamma s is equal to gamma optimum bracket square divided by 1 minus gamma s square f minus f minimum divided by 4 Rn Z0 into 1 plus gamma optimum square. So this is equation number 6. Now if we calculate for the given noise figure set of noise parameter, then we can find out the value of gamma s. So we can rewrite the equations. So gamma s is equal to into gamma optimum divided by n plus 1, so which is equivalent to the n plus n minus 1 minus gamma optimum square divided by n plus 1. So this is the equation number 7. So this result defines the circle's constant. So we can find out the loci of the circle from equation 7, that is gamma out is equal to n plus 1. This is the equation number 8. We can give the center of the noise figure. F stand for the noise figure. Similarly, we can find out the radius of this noise figure on Smith chart, so which is given in terms of the noise. So n plus 1 minus gamma optimum square divided by n plus 1. So this is the equation number 9, which gives the radii. This is the center of the noise figure, constant circle, constant figure, circle center, and here is the radii of the constant figure, basically noise figure circle. So in this lecture we discuss about the low noise amplifier. There is a two important quantities. First one is a noise figure in terms of the various definitions, F minimum divided by R1 into G of S, Y of S into Y optimum, where each terms will be defined is definitions. Then we can find out the Y of S and Y optimum in terms of the reflection coefficient. So this can be obtained by using these parameters. So we can write down the reflection coefficient of the source in terms of noise parameter F minimum, gamma optimum, and Rn. Then we can find out the value of the first noise figure, that is n, by using the gamma s and gamma optimum in terms of, then we can calculate the radius of constant circle in terms of noise figure and noise circle. So in this lecture we deal with the low noise amplifier design, that is LNI. So we can stop here. Thank you very much.